Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prachko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. It's time for the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. Today we'll be talking about finding balance with strategic planning. This writing prompt is inspired by the Seven of Swords tarot card from the Rider-Waite deck, which you can find linked down below in the description. At any time, there's an area in our life where we've bitten off more than we can chew. We always want to do more, be more, and have more. But is this the right decision? We need to be strategic in all that we're responsible for. You know that you can't do everything at once, nor should you. Instead of juggling multiple swords, focus on the small core set of tasks that will move you closer towards your goal. Remember the 80-20 rule. 20% of your work should account for 80% of your results. So make sure to focus on the 20%. These are the small core set of tasks that will move you closer. What are the small core set of tasks that are key to moving closer to accomplishing your goals? Now let's get into my answer for the same journal prompt. I like to share my answers so we can journal together and so I can help you if you feel a little stuck with the question. Like many of us, my yearly goals are way off track by now. I've been failing to devote time to my new habits because I'm trying to juggle too much each day. I'm going to start by devoting 20% of my downtime to these goals. Beyond that, the small core set of tasks I'm going to focus on are meal prep, replacing my phone at my side with a book during downtime so I read more, and finally change my thinking to how much instead of when to accomplish building my desired new habits that support my goals. I'll be focusing on setting aside an amount of time each day instead of a set appointment each day. That way I can be flexible. Each day, I for sure have 5 hours of downtime, sometimes more if I get up early. 20% of that 5 hours is 1 hour to build my habits each day that support my goals. So I'll be focusing on the 1 hour each day. So I'll be focusing on the 1 hour each day to accomplish my goals. That is the 20% of my time where I can focus on the small core set of tasks that I described to actually get these things done and accomplish building these new habits. I've been working on a new journal and I'd like to know if you'd be interested in it. This is the Goal Setting with the Moon Phases journal. I am working on it as a planner and I've really enjoyed doing this myself. And if you're interested, let me know. I'd love to get your input while I'm developing this journal. If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts like this one and you can't wait for this journal to come out, check out my other two journals. A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 Mindfulness Journal Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them, and the Daily Tarot Journal, uncovering the art of the one-card tarot reading. It includes 3 monthly overview spreads, 3 monthly tarot logs, daily journal pages with 8 writing prompts, and 3 end-of-the-month reviews. Order your copies of both journals today. The link is in the description. What's your answer to this month's prompt? Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!